Hello everyone, Dr. Erudite from Figo Trader. Alright, so with me today, I'm very excited to be launching. We discovered a new chart pattern. And guess what we called it? If you're looking at my screen, you probably got the answer right. For those of you who are Star Wars fan, is Dark Vader's helmet. Okay, Dark Vader's helmet. Yeah, just for the gigs, for the fans. Yeah, this is Figo Trader. Of course, we had to like make something real. Yeah, so the concept is that Dark Vader's helmet is bullish. So Dark Vader obviously became a trader. Yeah, that's the concept of what we're having here. So we had to make it very fun as Figure Trader. All right. So basically, let's zoom into the helmet. This is the helmet. You can see it's got this whole wing here and the wing on the other side. So sadly we had to we really got this generated with the side view, but we wanted to demonstrate a trait, so we had to come up with this one. So it makes more sense. So this is the helmet. Visualize this. Look at this. Picture it as if it's as if Dark Vader was as if he was looking at you, staring at you. Just reverse. Just put him in the position of eyeball to eyeball, and guess what you see? You get to see this flap. This is the helmet. Now this pattern we think is bullish. So let's show you guys on the real chart. Okay. All right. So without making things very difficult, okay. So this is Dark Vader's helmet. Notice the round top and the two, you know, two flabby sides on this way, like two sides that are, coming downward like a wing. So we think that if you notice this sketch, we think that it's not Vader, it's spelled VDER. So we just think Vader. Yep. We think it's bullish. Or we optimistic that this is bullish. So let's explain what happens. Price comes from a bullish position. Ding. Starts to consolidate. Dang, 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 dang. But guess what it does eventually? It breaks out of the consolidation. Ding, 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 ding. So actually, so our theory is that price usually breaks out the height of whatever pattern it is trading. So let's say price breaks out from here, it will break out at the height of this. Or we could even make it interesting by saying projecting it from here. That's how price will break. So let's see what we have here. This is a chart for Jump 100. 8-hour time frame. We seem to perform the Dark Vader's helmet. That is our theory. Obviously, things could go wrong, but we 100% trying to be optimistic. You get what I did there? I did 100%, and I did try, and I just basically. But either ways, we optimistic that this is Dark Vader's helmet, and Dark Vader's helmet all should be bullish. That's what we think, and that's what it is. So more information about Dark Vader's helmet is on our website. So the idea is to showcase, tell you what is happening in general. Dark Vader's helmet was basically it. So this is price. Price came from a bullish position. Ding, 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 ding. Starts to consolidate, 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 till it thins out, and then eventually would break out in two phases. Phase one and phase two, and then we bang. So I'll take profit usually the height of the helmet. So that is our theory, and that is we've sort of back tested this chart, and we wanted everyone to be updated about the chart. I think it's something that will go a long way in making it profitable trader. Sounds funny. We came up with the name Dark Vader's helmet. We know it's copyright, but we just had to obviously use it for fun. If you're a Star Wars fan, yeah, this looks like Dark Vader's helmet. All right, cheers. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and like. And see you guys in the next video. Cheers. Dr. Erudite from Figo Trader.